Alright, good evening. Once again, I'm back. Sorry for being absent here for the past few weeks. But also we have watched my video, which I uploaded yesterday. Here, you know the reason why I did not create and upload videos here, because I lost my phone. Okay, before I continue with whatever that I want to bring across here. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please you subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated with most of the videos that I will upload here. Okay, here in my video, I've just gone through Facebook for a few minutes ago, and then I decided to create this video. Okay, this video is purposely on what our younger Australian people are campaigning, especially on Facebook, against our national member Richard Maru for the development that he is currently bringing to people, not these people, but to younger Australian people, and some of the development that he already brought to our district in the past years. Okay, we go through the Facebook now, me looking also. All people who live in younger Australia. Plan the outside of the campaign against Richard Maruya are those people who are living outside of Visibik province and outside of Yanguru Sasuya district, and who do not usually vote in the district during the national election period or polling period. And why are you campaigning against the work that one national member is bringing to his district? Okay, we look him also plenty all basic needs blow, all ordinary citizen blow, Yanguru Sasuya, especially health and education and road. Okay, and Richard Maru provide him. And why are you those people living outside of Isibik province? You block campaign against Richard Maru start. Okay, this land is me who watch him on Facebook and me looking also. Those people who said you stop outside the province, and some of you living in the province who said you block campaign against him, Richard Maru, yeah. Be looking also. You have your personal interest. Okay, you are campaigning against him because of your personal interest. Okay, Trango this all land only start the place and only access him service floor road, education, health. Yeah, with Richard Maru. All only talk of Richard Maru, you will be our national member for another 5 years. Okay, now you play this land, you said you stop outside the province. You block campaign against him stop. The personal interest play you apply it. Okay, you compare him Richard Maru, member of the Young Rosa, so I want them. All development and bring him to district. You compare him law, all Narba district. We are more advanced in terms of development compared to other districts. All same now. All family, all people, with the younger software, said you last stop out, or said you got on personal interest play with now. You go campaign against him Richard Maru on Facebook. Please, let's calm down. Okay? Let's calm down. Maybe stop issue. Okay, suppose you think the local against him, you got talk. Okay? You got talk. You have all your right. Okay, you have your democratic right to campaign against him. Okay? But we don't know to campaign against him. Or work or speak him all negative against him, or work and we bring him to district. Okay? People stop outside the district and outside the province. People think him go back in the land from the place. Okay, all need him to basic service. Nah, elected very member Richard Maru. Emi bring him this law service law people from Milaya. Where Mibla this law line stop outside law district na province. Mibla sa benefit law this law all services emi bring him. But thinking more land place only benefit law this law all services emi bring him law district LLG from Mibla. And they are with him here. Now you did like you stop outside, now you look at an stuff here. But you come down, now you see more line law, behind him you law. But you black I can see him now with him. Richard Maru. Okay, please let's appreciate what services that Amy bring him law district from Mibla. Okay, Mibla must thank you long him. One of all basic services Amy bring him law district from Mibla law help him all people blow you me law bless. Okay, one of thinking on me got long him na me law watch him Facebook long time me come coming up na me decided law create him this video na upload him law here. Okay, me black appreciate him. Me black look him all Narblo district here. All no look him all services or same. You me younger social look him stuff here. Younger social people we have roads. We black all ring roads here. You make all junior high schools all built inside law or district like you me all 8 post which all basic service where all line the place you need him long. Na tranco mitla stop outside law district na province here. Mitla lo campaign against him. This la man who said he bring him all basic services all law on family members to mitla place here. Please mitla try appreciate him on him something member mitla make him. You may talk thank you long ma instead lo you may go against him on him all good work and make him inside law. District lo you may law. Provide him service law family members na or people lo you may inside law community. Okay. Tamu mi blog lo kemen against him. Okay. All people we all know what sabe. All by talk, Australia, you are right. But those who said all those clever people, all passing down, all paluguk, no palukim mosomoko. You dislap man or Mary, you look against him. Member staff here, Richard Maru. You must have some personal interest play you here there. That's why now you know appreciate him only more can make him long. Instead you appreciate him, you go. I can see money more can make him. I could blow can make him inside the district law. I provide him more services law. People like me. Thank you also me look him all plenty of post all big plenty all big blah for me all family members all Narbla all people in chat law young groups as well also all come on Facebook na kemen akan si member na kind of same no we decided law welcome this live video law upload him sometimes ting we make out long you know me talk no hard law campaign play you or post play you akan si Richard Maru you have your democratic rights to speak out your opinion. Okay, thank you. But please me over that time appreciate him. Point blow video blow me here is let's appreciate. Maybe appreciate na talk thank you law. One of something member maybe make him especially on providing all basic services inside law or people in our community. Okay, we can come against him. We can vote against him. But law development and bring him let's appreciate. We appreciate him. And this law or really work and come up me or basic services especially and bring him to the place here. Me is one me hamamas through him or people who make the place. Only access him education service, high school education service, health service and road service. That's why me as one, me and me still missed if I go with member Richard Maru for the coming election. Okay, you as an individual, you have your own rights, you have your democratic rights. If you want to go against him, you can go against him. But in terms of service, people appreciate him. People talk thank you law. One more service, and me provide him. As people lo each be province, people compare him all 5 districts. I all told you look him also way. It made him why me no katlakan member provide him all kind of basic basic service in child law or community display you may. Now you may access him. All basic services finish. Now you may campaign against him. Member you may can it doesn't look good. Thank you. Watching me. I'm just obedient to me put him out after viewing all posts on Facebook. I can see my get maroon. Me look come long time. Na me decided to same lara me pa me okay one video na me pa go to YouTube na me post him. All people blame me can watch him. Okay, all Narlo districts they are admiring Richard Maroon while people young or so me people speak against him stuff. Okay, my Tamil people from Wasarangkawi all sabe promoting Richard Maroon natin through ya. Doctor through me like him Islam money. So boss me balo me playa me plano na politi me mtaona me papalare me staff ina be me provide mo ko da services play we me plan itim long me child community play me. Okay, all people angrum all to let me get Maroon staff. All Narlo districts they are not accessing basic services such as the people of Yangor Soswea. Okay, so me plan must we must be very happy that we have a very good member who provided and who is providing the basic services that our very own people in the community only need him long which is health, education and road services. So when I'm something me looking on Facebook, plenty all mothers all big plan only okay ben against him Richard Maroon stuff na me kelemos em right me to me put him out something ting to me please no can campaign you can campaign against him but don't speak negative or don't discourage the services that Amy will bring him staff or district. Let's appreciate him na lare me inabi mo da plan do na more services him na bring him in chalo district play me. Thank you very much for watching. Suppose you no subscribe the channel play me yet, please subscribe. Click in like button, like my channel, and please have one comment also. You make sure you you comment on my video. Thank you. Opinion play me